Once again, welcome back in my channel. Thank you very much for being connected and learning spoken English with my channel. My dear friend, most of the time I take the topics, I take the words, vocabulary, sentence structure which people use to describe their daily life activities. Right? ज़्यादातर मैं टॉपिक्स और वोकेबलरीज वही लेता हूँ जो लोग ज़्यादातर बात करते हैं, ज़्यादातर जो अपने वर्ड्स और कन्वर्सेशन में यूज़ करते हैं. So today I have found that the importance vocabularies which people use on to describe daily life activities. ज़्यादातर लोग इन सब vocabularies का यूज़ करते हैं कन्वर्सेशन में. You have also right informations, you should have right knowledge so that you can use while doing conversation with anybody or while talking to anybody. You can use these are the things because these are the very basic and very important or necessary things which you should know, because if you have this kind of clarity you can able to speak English without facing any problem, right? So अगर आपके पास इन सब vocabularies का मीनिंग पता होगा और आपको पता होगा, आइडिया होगा कि कैसे यूज करना है, so that you can able to speak English confidently and you will not stuck anywhere, right? So let's start. My dear friend, these are the most influential and conversational words which I analyzed and understood that which you should understand and learn as much as possible, right? Especially I'm learning spoken English because I want to teach the people, right? Or especially I'm learning spoken English because I want to grow in industry. मैं स्पोकन इंग्लिश इसलिए सीख रहा हूँ ताकि मैं इंडस्ट्री में ग्रो कर सकूँ. स्पेशली आई एम लर्निंग स्पोकन इंग्लिश सो दैट आई कैन गेट गुड जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. मैं स्पोकन इंग्लिश इसलिए सीख रहा हूँ ताकि मैं अच्छे MNCs कंपनी में जॉब कर सकूँ. स्पेशली आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश बिकॉज आई एम वीक एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू कनेक्ट विद द पीपल, राइट? आई वॉन्टेड टू कनेक्ट विद द पीपल. स्पेशली आई एम लर्निंग स्पोकन इंग्लिश, राइट? माई इंग्लिश इज नॉट गुड. Especially I feel weak when when I'm presenting the meeting anywhere, right? So especially I'm learning. I hope you understand. खास तौर पे whenever you are giving importance to do anything or for any activities, right? Especially my mother had brought me this jacket or that jacket, right? Generally means generally आम तौर पे, or basically what you do on regular basis means generally. or if I use generally means मैं कितने बजे उठता हूँ. Generally I get up early in the morning at 7 AM, right? or generally I go to the gym by 10 o'clock, right? I hope you understand. आम तौर पे whenever you are describing the things, your habits or anything at a like time or anything like that, right? So generally I talk with people by evening when I get free. Generally I talk to the people when I get free. Generally I want to visit some of known places where I can get enjoy, right? Generally means आम तौर पे means generally what you do in your life, or generally at what time do you read book. आप किस टाइम पे बुक रीडिंग करते हो, right? Generally what is basic fundamental of learning spoken English, right? Generally what practice do you do to improve your communication skills? Well, generally I do like understanding about the vocabulary, sentence structure, and I talk with the people. I want to get more confidence. So generally I do all these things because these are the important and which I am following. I asked to my teachers and he said you should do like this. So generally I am doing lots of things to improve my communication skills. Like generally, including means शामिल होना या इमर्ज होना, राइट? या इकट्ठा होना. इंक्लूडिंग like including me, there are so many people came in party, right? बहुत सारे लोग पार्टी में आए including me. At that party there were lots of people came including politicians, celebrities and many more. उस पार्टी में बहुत सारे लोग आए including politicians, celebrities and famous personality, right? at today's meeting, including my seniors, my teachers and new joiners came in that meeting. At my meals, including, there was also desserts and varieties of foods, right? Varieties of foods including desserts, spicy food and varieties of foods I have gone through and I enjoyed, right? So including means शामिल होना. I can't able to speak English, but when I including about all these vocabularies, so I get material and then I got result and then I can able to speak. So including all kind of vocabularies are important for learning spoken English, right? Your journey will be perfect, your journey will be great when you are including all kinds of sentence structure, vocabularies and sentences, so you can able to speak right things, right? So including. Consequently means result. जब कोई भी एक्टिविटी या कुछ भी हम करते हैं तो उसके बाद रिजल्ट आता है, राइट? सो एट दैट टाइम व्हाट वी विल से, कॉन्सिक्वेंटली शी डिड हार्ड स्टडी, शी डिड हार्ड स्टडी, कॉन्सिक्वेंटली शी गॉट द गुड मार्क्स. उसने हार्ड स्टडी किया था इसीलिए उसके एग्जाम्स में मार्क्स अच्छे हैं. कॉन्सिक्वेंटली शी गॉट गुड मार्क, राइट? यू आर डूइंग प्रैक्टिस, यू आर लर्निंग सो मैनी थिंग्स, consequently your communication skill will be great, right? Consequently means at the end your result will become, you are doing anything, any activities you are learning, right? Or you are doing hard practice or you are working for the organization and you are giving lots of your time, so consequently the productivity in your work, it will come, right? It will come, productivity will come consequently when you do hard study, when you understand or analyze the things, so consequently results will come. You got better opportunity because you had good preparation, so that's why, or consequently you got job opportunities, right? Consequently if you speak good English, consequently you will get better result, राइट? अगर आप अच्छा काम करोगे तो रिजल्ट अच्छा आएगा. रिजल्ट मीन्स कॉन्सिक्वेंटली. अदरवाइज मीन्स नहीं तो या अन्यथा. यू शुड डू हार्ड स्टडी, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, अदरवाइज योर टाइम विल बी वेस्टेड, राइट? यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ टाइम्स, अदरवाइज यू विल वेस्ट द टाइम. You should always get up early in the morning, otherwise you will be lazy. अन्यथा आप lazy हो जाओगे. आप if you get up early in the morning, then you will feel good. So you should get up early in the morning, otherwise you will be lazy. Otherwise you will be shapeless, right? You will be fatty. Otherwise you should understand company norms and conditions, otherwise company will kick you outside. आपको कंपनी के बारे में जानना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो कंपनी आपको बाहर कर देगी, राइट? अदरवाइज you should learn these vocabularies, otherwise you can't able to speak English, right? You should learn all these vocabularies, otherwise you can't able to speak English. अगर आप vocabularies को नहीं सीखोगे, so you cannot able to speak English, right? So otherwise I am going there, otherwise I have many opportunities, right? I am teaching you because I like, otherwise I have lots of opportunities to do. I can do job or I can go anywhere, right? I am teaching here, right? Otherwise I have many opportunities. If you अगर कंपनी मुझे हायर करेगी तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज आई हैव मैनी ऑप्शंस, राइट? इफ कंपनी will hire me, if company is hiring me, otherwise I will have more opportunities. If I got fail in any interviews, so I will apply many other organization, or otherwise I can do my own business. I can invest my time and I can learn there. If they will not give me opportunity, if they are not giving me opportunity, right? So otherwise, अन्यथा या तो नहीं तो अन्यथा या नहीं तो अदरवाइज. लास्टली, even like I'm talking about here, I'm giving all kind of information and knowledge, I'm making you understand each and everything. So lastly I conclude that these are the very important things. Whenever जब कभी भी जब कभी भी जब whenever you are conducting meeting, whenever you are conducting the meeting, so lastly you will say, lastly we should understand the meetings formula and we have to understand what we are going to do. So lastly I am like concluding about all these things. So lastly means last में जो कुछ भी आप बोलते हो, lastly the wedding ceremony is going to be complete. So lastly the person will speak, lastly I am very thankful to all of you. जब wedding ceremony के बाद जब मीटिंग होती है वो कंक्लूड हो जाती है तो ओनर या पर्सन क्या बोलेगा, लास्टली आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू, राइट. You are learning all these things. Lastly you can able to speak. Lastly you will get to know what you have to speak, how you have to speak, how you are going to share your point of views. Like lastly, same thing is finally as well. Also, finally I come to know that yes, I can able to speak English. Now you can think that finally you will think that yes, I can able to speak, right. You having conversation with the people. At the end you will get to the result. At the end you will understand that yes, finally I come on conclusions and I can understand. Like whenever meeting or things are happening, so finally they said, well, thank you very much for being participated and we will work together and we will achieve the ambitions and goal of the organization. So finally, like lastly में the both things are quite similar, very similar to each others, right, each others, and you can understand and you can use to express yourself. Also means bhi. I like you, also him. I like you, also him. Also you know all kind of vocabularies, but I am letting you know. Maybe some of the students or my dear learners, they don't know or they have some kind of confusion or they are not understanding what it could be the meaning. So also I am letting know about many things. Also means और भी चीज़ों को मैं यहाँ पर English I am just letting you know about all these things, right. However means we use however as a like but, like today I am feeling very cold, however I am wearing my only shirts, right. So however means फिर भी however. You know so many things, you know lot of vocabularies, however you are learning more, like however फिर भी आप लर्न कर रहे हो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. You know, maybe you don't know, maybe whatever I have know, however I am doing more practice. I know about all the things, however I am reading oftenly, I am reading frequently, right. However फिर भी similarly, right, similarly the cat is similar to the lion, the lion is similar to the cats, right. Or I have many shirts, they are similar to each other, right. Now you can see lastly and finally it looks like both terms are similar to each other, right. The both terms are looks like same meaning or similar meaning, right. Means mutual meaning. It seems there are lots of similarities between President Donald Trump and Mr. Narendra Modi, right. They have like more similarities. The similarities when they take decision, when they deliver their speeches in the meetings. So I can see there are lots of similarities, like there are lots of similarities between Mr. President and Mr. Modi. They have more similarities. The cat and the lion are very similar to each other, right. The word lastly and finally, the words are very similar to each other. You can see right now I am standing here, my boards and wall and shirts are similar to each other, right. Yes. Subsequently means बाद में. I started my journey, subsequently I left my job, right. मैंने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट किया, उसके बाद में I left my job and here I am delivering my services. Subsequently your brother did hard work, subsequently he is preparing for the government examination. Subsequently he is doing examination preparation, right. Subsequently after learning all the things, subsequently I read book, I write the things, I talk with the people and I try to understand, right. After going through all kinds of reading, listening, writing and speaking, subsequently I do lots of practice, right? इसके बावजूद भी मैं और भी प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ so that I can able to speak good English. Therefore, now the new vocabulary is therefore इसीलिए you have never done lots of practice, so therefore you don't have much understanding about the vocabularies, or you have not talked with the people, therefore you are facing problem, right? इसीलिए आप प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हो क्योंकि you haven't talked, आपने पहले कभी कन्वर्सेशन नहीं किया. You are not much confident, therefore you can't able to speak English. You have never appeared in the examination, so therefore at this time you are fearing or you are afraid about to give your examination. Do you remember last time you went for interviews and you were afraid? Therefore interview couldn't be happen. Therefore interview couldn't be taken by the HR. Or you have not given your interview in well manner, so therefore HR never considered yourself as a right person or right candidate, right? So therefore इसीलिए when you do study, when you learn all the things, therefore you can able to speak English, therefore you can able to speak English, right? So therefore इसीलिए. Now because means क्योंकि, because of the population in India we are facing job opportunities, because of overpopulations everywhere is corruption, because of corruption everywhere is pollution, because of populations and pollutions we can't able to take clean air, right? Because of population. Because of my study I got good marks, मेरे स्टडी से ही मुझे अच्छा मार्क्स मिला. Because of my hard work I got success. Because of learning all kind of things, understanding each and every vocabularies, I got success. Because of learning and talking with the people, I become confident and I become great and I can able to speak. Like because क्योंकि लोगों से बात कर और ज़्यादा कन्वर्सेशन करने के तब पश्चात I can able to talk the people, right? So using of the because of I have done lots of practice at 2 years ago, so right now I can able to work in any company. Because I have experience, I can give my interviews on those organizations. Because of my experience they hired me. Because of my experience they hired me. Because of knowledge about all kind of vocabularies, today I can able to speak good English, right? So because means क्योंकि नॉलेज होने के नाते मैं अच्छा इंग्लिश बोल पा रहा हूँ. क्योंकि since mean तब से. Since you went away I don't like this city. जब से तुम चले गए तब से मुझे यहाँ अच्छा नहीं लगता. Since the moment you left us we are feeling alone. जब से तुम चले गए मुझे अकेलापन महसूस होता है, right? Since when you have not eat anything, कब से तुमने कुछ नहीं खाया, right? कब से तुमने कुछ नहीं खाया. Since you have not eat anything, or since at what time you will come tomorrow, कल तुम कब कितने बजे आओगे, right? Since I have been living in Delhi since 2029. मैं दिल्ली में 2024 से रह रहा है. He has been living in Delhi since 2024. Since I show you day by day you are becoming too much weak. You are becoming too much weak since I saw you. Since that moment, since that moment we are not talking to each other because we had fight. Since that moment we are not talking to each other. Moreover means इसके अतिरिक्त, इसके अलावा means moreover. Last time we visit in restaurant, the service was fine. Moreover food was tasty. सर्विस बहुत अच्छा था रेस्टोरेंट का, फूड भी बहुत टेस्टी था. Moreover means इसके अलावा या इसके. He is very nice person. Moreover he has good attitude. इसके अलावा इसके पास एटीट्यूड अच्छा. I have so many vocabularies. Moreover I am understanding and learning the things, right? My dear friend, these are very important and unique and necessary vocabularies which I just delivered with you, which I have given you many examples and better understanding. I hope you will gone through certain kind of vocabularies and you have particular informations and knowledge. So while doing conversation, you will not face any kind of problem. My dear friend, whenever you understand anything in deeply with your full of confidence and it like with heartily, so definitely you will not face problem and you can able to speak English without getting hesitations, without fearing, or without afraiding, right? Well, thank you very much for giving your kind attentions and your precious time. Your time is important, and I give respect lots of about the importance of timing. You should also understand, my dear friend, learn as much as possible. Definitely you are going to polish your communication skills. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप बोल पाओगे, आप अच्छा लर्न कर रहे हो, and that's what I like. That's what it feels me to create some new videos. It will sharp your communication skills. It will give you more expression and more words so that you can express yourself without hesitation and with confidence. Well, thank you very much for being connected. You please share and subscribe my videos, and my dear friend, there are lots of things which I have uploaded. You please visit and expand your learning and learn as much as possible. Thank you very much. Have a great moment.